In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Xero. We'll walk through each step to make this process as smooth as possible for you. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu, and you'll notice an option labeled Business. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down will appear, and from here, you'll select Invoices. This action will direct you to your Invoices dashboard where you can manage all your invoicing activities. Now that you're on the Invoices dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Invoice. Click that to begin creating a fresh invoice. This action will open up a new invoice form where you can enter all the necessary details about the invoice you want to create. Starting with the To field, you'll need to choose an existing customer from your contact list. If your desired customer isn't listed, you can easily add a new one right here. Next, you'll set the invoice's issue date under the Date section. After that, specify the due date to let the customer know when payment is expected. The invoice number is automatically generated, but feel free to edit it if needed for your records. There's also a reference field that is optional. You might use it to add a purchase order number or any other identifier. Now let's move on to adding line items. If you're using inventory or have saved items in your system, you'll want to choose the appropriate item. Provide the description for the product or service you're billing for, and make sure it's clear and detailed. Then, input the quantity and the unit price. You'll also need to select an account code, such as sales or services, to categorize the line item appropriately. If a tax rate applies to your items, make sure to include that as well. Next, consider attaching any relevant files to your invoice. While this is optional, it's a good practice to include supporting documents like quotes, agreements, or receipts. This additional information can help your customer understand the details and context of the invoice. With everything filled out, you can now decide what you'd like to do with the invoice. You can save as draft if you wish to revisit and review it later, or you can approve it if you are ready to finalize and prepare for sending. Finally, it's time to send the invoice to your customer. Xero allows you to email the invoice directly from within the application. Simply click Email and follow the prompts. Alternatively, if you prefer handling this outside of Xero, you can download the invoice as a PDF and send it manually. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create, save, and send an invoice using Xero. We hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy invoicing!